Welcome to the era of intelligent printing in our modern digital world. If you're looking for a laser printer that offers exceptional performance while remaining affordable, all within a budget of under $1,000, then you're in luck. Get ready to be blown away by lightning-fast printing, impeccable print quality, effortless wireless connectivity, and environmentally conscious features, all wrapped up in a sleek and compact package. In today's workplace or home office setup, laser printers have become an indispensable necessity. They offer unparalleled convenience and efficiency, making them a must-have for anyone seeking optimal productivity. We have listed the best laser printer under $1,000 and their dominant features so that you can make an informed decision. We have also included the link to each laser printer in the description box so you can purchase them directly without any kind of inconvenience. Number 1 is the HP Laserjet Enterprise M607 printer. The HP Laserjet Enterprise M607 printer is an exceptional choice when searching for the best laser printer under $1,000. It is brimming with features to ensure seamless operations for your business. This monochrome laser printer boasts an impressive 650-sheet total input tray capacity, eliminating the need for frequent paper reloading during critical tasks. With its blazing print speed of up to 55 pages per minute, it empowers you to handle large documents with ease swiftly. The LCD control panel streamlines navigation and simplifies adjustments for office users, ensuring a user-friendly experience. You can trust the HP 37 toner cartridges to consistently produce high-quality prints that eliminate the need for reprints and service calls. Energy-conscious businesses will appreciate its energy-efficient design and advanced toner technology, contributing to reduced power consumption. With over 175 embedded security features, it's one of the most secure printers on the market. With HP Sure Start, it even possesses self-repairing capabilities that effectively safeguard your sensitive data from potential hacking threats. Also, managing your printing tasks becomes a breeze with its compatibility with HP WebKit admin. Seamlessly centralize control, effortlessly add new devices, update features, and enforce corporate policies. If you're interested in this monochrome laser printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 2 is the MFC L6900dw laser printer. When it comes to finding a top-notch laser printer under $1,000, the brother MFC L6900dw stands out as an exceptional choice. This monochrome laser printer is designed to handle heavy workloads, boasting an impressive monthly duty cycle of up to 150,000 pages and a recommended monthly volume of 10,000 pages. Its user-friendly 4.85-inch touchscreen display makes navigating through its features a breeze. It offers various connectivity options like USB 2.0, Gigabit LAN, Wi-Fi, USB host, and NFC, ensuring seamless integration into your office network. With a remarkable printing speed of up to 52 pages per minute and a maximum resolution of 1200 x 1200 pi, this printer produces sharp and professional documents. Not only does it save you money on paper with its automatic duplexing feature, but it also reduces environmental impact. Its impressive fax resolutions and memory capacity ensure precise and reliable fax communications. For businesses heavily relying on faxing, it provides Super D3 faxing with a maximum transmission speed of 33.6 kbps. This printer offers a wide range of convenient features, including the ability to print from and save to USB flash drives, scan to email, scan to folder, and more. Its 80-sheet document feeder and legal-sized scanning capability effortlessly handle various document types. If you like this wireless laser printer, be sure to check out the link in the description box below. Number 3 is the HP Laserjet Enterprise M507DIN printer. The HP Laserjet Enterprise M507DIN monochrome printer is an optimistic and all-in-one solution for businesses seeking a top-notch laser printer under $1,000. A robust selection of over 200 embedded security features ensures the utmost protection for sensitive information, safeguarding it against any potential malicious attacks, so you can rest assured your data is in capable and secure hands. With a total input tray, capacity of 650 sheets, automatic two-sided printing, and impressive print speeds of up to 45 pages per minute, This printer keeps your business running at full throttle. Navigating through options is a breeze with its user-friendly 2.7 LCD control panel. Not only does it excel in performance, but it's also environmentally conscious. With its intelligent power features, you can save up to 29% on energy compared to previous models. Managing your printers has never been easier with HP WebJet Admin. This centralized printing control solution allows you to handle new devices, update features, and enforce corporate policies effortlessly. For added security, the HP Jet Advantage Security Manager enables you to configure robust security settings, which provide an extra layer of protection. With reliable original HP 89/89X toner cartridges, you can reduce reprints, wasted supplies, and service calls. For even greater value, consider opting for the high-yield 89Y cartridges. If you want to purchase this all-in-one laser printer right now, check out the link given in the description box. Number 4 is Lexmark 42C0060CS 521 in color laser printer. If you're looking for the best laser printer under $1,000, the Lexmark 42C0060CS 521 in color laser printer is an excellent choice. The printer is prepared with integrated duplex, two-sided printing functionality, allowing for efficient and eco-friendly printing. With a maximum print speed of 33 pages per minute, this printer is perfect for any project and ensures swift completion of your printing tasks. Its reliable performance and advanced features make it an ideal choice for personal and professional use. With a paper size of 8.5 x 14 and the versatile ability to print on various media types, such as cardstock for professional presentations and transparencies for creative projects, this printer offers a wide range of printing options to suit your needs. With a consumable wattage of 530 watts, it ensures fast printing, saving you precious time and valuable resources. This printer is compact and incredibly lightweight, measuring just 47 x 39.2 x 52 inches and weighing a mere 52.3 pounds. The connectivity technology allows seamless communication between your computer or other devices through the Ethernet port to ensure effortless data sharing and connection. And if you like this laser printer under $1,000, be sure to check out the link in the description box below. Number 5 is the HP Laserjet Pro M283fdw laser printer. The under $1,000 HP Color Laserjet Pro M283fdw laser printer offers a stylish appearance, a built-in connected and Wi-Fi intuitive color touchscreen for simple operation, and a 50-sheet automated document feeder for quick scanning, copying, and faxing of multi-page documents. This printer enables you to quickly and accurately print high-quality color photographs and documents at speeds of up to 22 ppm. For those who enjoy printing, it is the perfect and trustworthy option because it can handle sheets ranging in size from 4x6 to 8.5x14. You can now organize your papers from your mobile device with configurable shortcuts thanks to the distinctive office capabilities of the HP Smart app, increasing productivity by 50%. This printer offers a trouble-free dual-band Wi-Fi connection and ensures top printing performance with original HP toner cartridges that yield consistently good-looking pages. This printer provides thorough device protection and critical data protection thanks to its sophisticated security features. With several crucial characteristics, it stops assaults from occurring and detects them, providing the highest level of protection. If you're interested in this laser printer, check out the link in the description box below. After reviewing each of the 5 best laser printers under $1,000, you now have a clear idea of which one you should go for. With their top-notch features, you can now enjoy peace of mind knowing that your prints will always be printed perfectly and quickly. Hope you have found this video to be valuable and informative. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For the latest updates and more such videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care.